Welcome to Google Search. Google is a search engine which is very popular nowadays. You cannot imagine surfing internet without Google. So what is Google and how to use it? Let's check out. Let's have a quick introduction to Google. Google search engine is a software program that searches for sites based on the words that you designate as search terms. Google search engine looks through its database of information in order to find what you are looking for. Search engine is a popular term of an information retrieval system. How to search? First of all, go to google.com, then press enter or click on go. It must open this Google web page. Here I'm recording this video from India, and so the Google India homepage is open, where you can find out a box in which you can write your search query. Let it be anything. You may want to find out some photos or some information about buying some stuffs online, offline. You may want to find out some people. You can do any kind of search on Google. For example, let's find animal image. For that, here we'll write animal image. You'll see that when you write query, Google will suggest some more queries. This is really helpful. After writing your query, press on the search button. Then Google will give you the result of your query. As we have searched for images, it gives a lot of images and some more links and search results as well. The new feature of Google is basic view. If you are searching for something and the results are there, then there will be an arrow as you can see in the picture. When you move your cursor on this arrow, Google gives you the basic view of the website so that before going to that website, you know whether the website you're looking for is the same or not. This is the website we were looking for, and as we have seen how easy it is to find or search anything on the internet using Google search engine. So the conclusion, search engine plays a very important role in accessing the content over the internet. It fetches the pages requested by us. It made the internet and accessing the information just a click away. You type anything and you search and you get the results. The need for better search engines only increases. The search engine sites among the most popular website is Google, and now you know how to search on Google. Thank you.